Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the Leetcode problem number 21, merge two sorted list in JavaScript code. Before we solve the problem, subscribe to my channel, and for solution follow me on GitHub TINU GALA. There will be Leetcode question and answer repo. First understand the question. You are given the heads of two sorted linked list 1 and 2. Merge the two lists in one sorted list. The list should be made by splicing together the nodes of first two lists. Return the head of merged linked list. There is the example given here. Example 1, 2 is empty and 3 has empty and 0. The constraints are that we have the numbers in the linked list 1 and 2 from 0 to 50, and the node value is -100 to 100. Both list 1 and 2 are sorted in non-decreasing order. Let's decode it. We are going to use a variable that has a function list1 and 2. We are going to simply create a dummy variable node. In that, we are going to put that node into CRT variable. We are going to run a while loop. In that, the parameters are that it should contain either list1 value or the list2 values. If it has any of the if it has values in it, then we are going to run the loop. In that, we find that if the value in the first list 1 is greater than list 2, then we are going to point the current node to the list 2, and the list 2 will become next variable in the list. If condition is false, then we are going to use an else condition. In that, the current node, we are going to put the list 1, and the list 1 value will increase to second value. When this loop continues, we are going to move our current value to the next value, and if any of if the list has more value, in this example it has the same values 3 and 3, but if the list value has more than list 2, or list 2 has more than list 1, then we are going to put all of the items in the current node, and we are going to simply return the dummy which we had created. So the time complexity is O of n and m. Space complexity is O of 1. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.